Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. TaxFire is designed for individuals with self-employment income, particularly those with the Business Flourish plan. With TaxFire, you can view your estimated tax payments quarter by quarter, helping you stay on top of your tax obligations. Based on your budget, we can even predict your upcoming quarterly tax payments, ensuring no surprises when it comes to state and federal estimated taxes. For those with LLC, you can also monitor your FICA taxes if applicable. On this page, it's crucial to ensure that you input all the necessary information correctly from the start. This includes your tax filing status, state, and most importantly, your annual salary from W-2 income if applicable. We handle most of the tax credits on our end, but some details like health insurance contributions or HSA contributions may require your input to ensure accuracy. That's essentially how you can have a comprehensive tax estimate. Some of our users have found their estimates to be 99% accurate once they've filled in all the necessary information. This is precisely why we designed this product, to remove the guesswork from taxation and provide you with all the essential information right at your fingertips. On the right-hand side, you'll find a summary that's similar to what you receive from your CPA at the end of the year. However, with our system, you get this information in real time every day of the year, eliminating the need for a CPA in many cases. The summary includes your total income, taxable income, taxes withheld, if you have W-2 income, and estimated taxes paid, if applicable. It also shows your total tax liability, whether it's been paid or not, in the pie chart. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.